Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are well. Today we are going to discuss some new topics related to sets. So let's start the video. The first topic which we are going to discuss is ordered pair. An ordered pair consists of two elements that are written in fixed order. So we define an ordered pair as the pair of elements that occur in particular order and are enclosed in brackets are called a set of ordered pairs. For example, if we have two sets, set A is a set of numbers 1, 2 and 3, and set B is a set of number 2 and 4. Let's make their ordered pair. When we make the ordered pair, to make the ordered pair, we take the first element from set A, then pair up it with the other element of set B. So we take the first element of set A, which is 1, and pair up it with the other element of set B. So 1, 2, 1, 4. Then we take the second element from set A, which is 2, and pair up it with the element of set B. So 2, 2 and 2, 4. Now taking the third element from set A, which is 3, and pair up it with the other elements of set B. So 3, 2 and 3, 4. These all are the ordered pair of set A and set B, in which we write the element in a particular order or enclose the element in a bracket, in a small bracket. Now the second topic is Cartesian product of a set. What is Cartesian product of a set? The Cartesian product of a set mean the product of two non-empty sets in an ordered way, or in other words, the collection of all ordered pairs obtained by the product of two non-empty sets. An ordered pair means that two elements are taken from the each set. For example, we have two sets. Set A is a set of alphabets A, B and C, and set B is a set of alphabets C, D and E. When we find their Cartesian product, we represent the Cartesian product with this sign and we call this sign cross. So we write A cross B. A cross B means the Cartesian product. We write all the ordered pair in Cartesian product. So we make I have made all the ordered pair of set A and set B. The first ordered pair is A, C. I have taken the first element from set A and then pair up it with the other element of set B. So A, C, A, D, A, E. Then taking the second element, which is B, and pair up it with the elements of set B. So B, C, B, D and B, E. Then taking the third element from set A, which is C, and pair up it with the elements of set B. So C, C, D and C, E. The Cartesian product is the collection of all the ordered pair obtained by the product of set A and set B. Now the third topic is binary relation. A binary relation from a set A to a set B is just a subset of A cross B. Thus, every subset of A cross B is a binary relation from A to B. For example, We have two sets. Set A is a set of alphabets x, y, and set B is a set of numbers -1, 0, and 1. To find their binary relation, first we have to find their Cartesian product. And to find their Cartesian product, in Cartesian product, we write all the ordered pair of A and B. So, I have taken the first element of set A, x, and pair it with the element of set B. So, x, -1, x, 0, x, 1. Then taking the second element of set A, y, -1, y, 0, y, 1. These all are the Cartesian product of set A and set B. Let's find their relation 1. In relation, we write any collection of the ordered pair. So I have taken the first ordered pair x, -1, and y, 0. You can take any collection of ordered pair because binary relation is the subset of A cross B. Thus, R1 is a binary relation of A cross B. R1 is a binary relation of A cross B. Now let's do your book's question number 1, exercise 1.3, chapter number 1, sets. The question number 1 of exercise 1.3 is, if A is a set of alphabets A, B, C, D, and B is a set of alphabets Y and Z, you have to find A cross B means A Cartesian B. So, in a solution, first you write A cross B is equals to, first you have to write the set of A, then write cross sign, and then write the set of set B. Then make all the ordered pair of set A and set B. So let's start. A, y. First we take A and pair up it with the element of set B. So A, y, A, Z. Then taken second element B, y, B, Z. Then taken third element C, y, C, Z. And then in the last element D, y, D, Z. This is the answer. You just have to find the Cartesian product of set A and set B. The fourth part of your book is you have to find Cartesian product of B and B. So you have to write set B, then write cross sign, and again write set B. Then we have to take the first element from set B, y, and make a pair with the element of set B. So first you have to take y, then y, z. Then you have to take the second element, which is z, and pair up it with the element of other set. So z, y, and z, z. This is the answer. Now the second question of your book is, exercise 1.3 is, suppose that the ordered pairs x plus y, 2 and 4, x minus y are equal. Find x and y. Let's solve this question. Given that x plus y, 2 is equals to 4, x minus y, which means that first we have to write that in an equation. So x plus y, 2 is equals to 4, x minus y, which means that x plus y is equals to 4 and x2 is equals to x minus y. So we write these order pair in equation form like this. This is the equation 1, x plus y is equals to 4, and this is the equation 2, x minus y is equals to 2. Now adding both equation, so 4 plus 2 is 6, write equal to sign, We have positive y and negative y. When we have positive and negative, we cancel out each other. Now x plus x is 2x. Now we have 2x is equals to 6. So we have to find the value of x and y, and now in this situation we first we find the value of x. So to find the value of x, we have to write the x separately and transpose 2 to the right hand side. So when we transpose 2 to the right hand side, it will divide it by 2. So x is equals divided by 6. X is equals to 6 divided by 2. So x is equals to 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now x is equals to 3. So now we have to put the value of x in 1. In equation 1, in this equation we have to put the value of x. So we write equation 1, which is x plus y is equals to 4. And when we put the value of x in this equation, it will be 3 plus y is equals to 4. Now we have to find the value of y. So we have to write y separately. And then we have to transpose 3 to the right hand side. Now it will be y is equals to 4 minus 3. Y is equals to 1. So therefore ordered pair x and y is equals to 3 and 1. I hope you all have understood today's video. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.